In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve recording quality in OBS Studio, fix blurry recordings. If your gameplay or desktop recordings look sharp in preview but turn mushy once saved, it usually comes down to mismatched resolutions, scaling, or encoder settings. Let's clean that up so what you record is as crisp as what you see on screen. Start by launching OBS Studio and opening Settings, then Video. Here, set your base, also called canvas resolution, to your monitor's native resolution. This tells OBS the exact pixel dimensions of the scene you're building. If you're unsure, check your display settings in your operating system. Many monitors are 1920 by 1080, 2560 by 1440, or 3840 by 2160. Matching the canvas to your true screen size prevents soft scaling before you even hit record. Next, make sure the output or scaled resolution matches that base resolution exactly. When these don't match, OBS has to upscale or downscale every frame, which is a common cause of blur and shimmering edges. Keeping them identical gives you a one-to-one pixel recording with no hidden resizing in the pipeline. Set your common FPS value to 60 for smooth, high-motion content, like games. 60 frames per second preserves more detail during fast camera pans and particle effects. If your system can't maintain 60, you can prioritize resolution and quality first. But for most modern setups, 60 FPS is the sweet spot for clarity and fluidity. Now head to the output section, change output mode to advanced so you can fine-tune quality. For the encoder, choose hardware encoding if available, NVENC on NVIDIA or AMF on AMD. Hardware encoders offload the work from your CPU, reduce dropped frames, and maintain cleaner detail during action scenes. Under rate control, pick CQP, which stands for Constant Quantization Parameter. CQP targets consistent visual quality instead of a fixed bitrate, so complex scenes get the bits they need. Remember, lower CQP values mean higher quality and larger files. Higher values mean smaller files with more compression. If you must use CBR, set a high bitrate for 1080p 60. Think in the range of 20,000 to 50,000 kilobits per second or more, so fine details don't smear. Still in output under recording, make sure rescale output is unchecked. This avoids any last-minute resizing that can reintroduce softness. Finally, if your recordings look washed out, go to Advanced Video Settings and set the color format to NV12 or RGB. This helps maintain accurate color and contrast so your footage doesn't look flat. That's it. With matching resolutions, the right frame rate, a quality-focused encoder, and proper color settings, your OBS recordings should look sharp, smooth, and true to what you see on screen.